A room full of energy, laughter, and positive vibes.
I love it. It's amazing.
This is Peace Through the Season, empowering strategies for helping families thrive with their children. Weslaco ISD teamed up with Stronger Connection Grant to host a mental health conference for WISD parents.
Parents will be able to learn new techniques, so they will be able to handle stress a little bit better. They'll be able to recognize how they're feeling, and because they are able to do so, they are able to remain calm and learn how to be able to cope with what's going on.
One exercise is yoga laughter.
Very good, yay!
Parents go over a few methods. They learn the benefits the body and brain has with laughter. They get on their feet and share a few laughs.
Laughing just helps everything feel so much better. You can laugh about anything, and it kind of just makes it easier to get through, to get past.
The workshop also focuses on connection,
You see, if
self-care,
we're blessed, we can't be stressed.
and communication skills.
Hi there, good morning.
A simple gesture, like a good morning greeting,
morning, sir.
can go a long ways.
Good morning, all right.
Parents practice with one another and learn another tool to utilize with their kids.
Yo estoy contenta, me voy feliz porque aprendí, a pesar de que uno piensa que sabe muchas cosas, hay cosas que aprendemos para mejorar a la familia, sobre todo a nuestros hijos y ayudarlos mejor en la escuela.
There's a lot of positive, but it seems like the negative.
Some parents, like Juan Hernandez, understand the times are changing. He has one older son, but is still raising two teenage daughters. One attends Weslaco East, and the other at Cuellar Middle School.
Different personalities.
Just because we finished with one kid, we know everything and we're gonna cruise the rest of the way. It's not. So I feel like we just need to keep being better, and workshops like this really reach out to the community.
Now these parents are ready to share what they've learned. The time is right with the Christmas season in full effect, and a time to be jolly.
Positive happy parent means a positive happy child.
For KWES TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.